The best fantasy TV series must watch. Get ready to enter a world of magic and wonder. Here are the top fantasy TV shows that will transport you to new worlds and ignite your imagination. From dark and gritty realms to whimsical and enchanting lands, these shows will keep you on the edge of your seat. With complex characters, rich storylines, and unexpected twists, these fantasy TV shows are a must-watch. So, which one will you binge-watch next? 1. The Witcher. This adaptation of the popular book series by Andrzej Sapkowski captures the attention of audiences with its rich, intricate storylines and complex characters. Set in a world populated with magic users, supernatural creatures, and morally ambiguous heroes, the show boasts stunning visuals and superb acting from its lead star Henry Cavill as Geralt of Rivia. Fans of fantasy epics can expect exceptional world-building and intense action sequences throughout this highly regarded series. 2. The Sandman. Adapted from Neil Gaiman's acclaimed graphic novel series, this eagerly anticipated show promises to deliver a visually stunning and thoughtfully written portrayal of the world within dreams. With a talented ensemble cast led by Tom Sturridge as Morpheus aka Dream, viewer will be transported into a realm where imagination reigns supreme. While navigating themes such as destiny, power dynamics, and interpersonal relationships across various planes of existence. 3. House of the Dragon. As a prequel to Game of Thrones set 200 years prior during the Targaryen dynasty's reign over Westeros, fans can expect more political intrigue, breathtaking visuals, and intense performances in this eagerly awaited addition to George R.R. Martin's expansive universe. Focused on the rise and fall of House Targaryen featuring Matt Smith as Prince Daemon Targaryen and Paddy Considine as King Viserys. This series will provide insight into the complex history that shaped the world showcased in Game of Thrones. 4. The Legend of Vox Machina. An animated series based on the beloved Dungeons & Dragons campaign played by the cast of Critical Role, viewer can expect an action-packed adventure filled with brilliantly designed characters, sharp dialogue, epic battles, and plenty of heartwarming moments. With captivating storylines and impressive animation quality, this series will appeal to both fans of tabletop gaming and those seeking a thrilling animated journey through an imaginative land. 5. Carnival Row. Starring Orlando Bloom and Cara Delevingne, this neo-noir fantasy series explores themes around immigration and social prejudice through a crime procedural lens involving magic powers and mythical creatures. Set in a Victorian-inspired city where humans coexist uneasily with various fantastical beings, the show weaves intricate narratives that touch upon political intrigue, forbidden love, and unsolved mysteries while maintaining an engaging atmosphere of suspense throughout. 6. His Dark Materials. A captivating adaptation of Philip Pullman's award-winning novel trilogy, this series takes viewer on an epic journey through parallel worlds filled with demons, external manifestations of a person's soul, armored bears, and political machinations. With a star-studded cast led by Daphne Keane as Lyra Belacqua, Ruth Wilson as Mrs. Coulter, and Lin-Manuel Miranda as Lise Cosby. This beautifully crafted show demonstrates exceptional attention to detail both visually and narratively while exploring themes such as self-discovery, loyalty, and authority. 7. One Piece. With a live-action adaptation of the beloved and long-running manga series in development, fans can look forward to seeing the adventures of Monkey D. Luffy and his pirate crew brought to life on screen. Known for its expansive world-building, quirky characters, and emotionally resonant storylines, this series will likely offer both action-packed excitement and heartfelt moments as viewers follow Luffy's quest to become the Pirate King by finding the legendary treasure known as One Piece. 8. The Lord of the Rings, The Rings of Power. Set thousands of years before the events chronicled in J.R.R. Tolkien's original trilogy, this highly anticipated series promises to delve deeper into Middle-earth's history while showcasing new lands, cultures, and characters involved in shaping that universe. Fans can expect breathtaking visuals combined with expert storytelling that stays true to Tolkien's vision while presenting an epic tale filled with intrigue, adventure, magic, and mythology. 9. Agatha All Along. Set after the events of WandaVision, Agatha Harkness begins a quest to regain her former powers. 10. Percy Jackson and the Olympians. This upcoming adaptation of Rick Riordan's best-selling young adult book series is set to bring a fresh take on the Greek mythology-inspired story of a modern-day demigod discovering his heritage amidst an imminent threat against humanity. Combining elements of adventure-packed storytelling with relatable coming-of-age struggles faced by its protagonist Percy Jackson, the son of Poseidon. Amid friendships forged at Camp Half-Blood for children born from ancient gods' liaisons with mortals, viewer can expect an exciting balance between action sequences and character development throughout this highly anticipated series.